There are new devices with advanced technologies every single day that will make our life easier and more enjoyable. Some of these weird and wonderful gadgets boost our productivity. On the other hand, some of them are for entertainment and lots more. Let's have a look at some of the weird gadgets. Number 5, Boona Tandem Shower. Boona Tandem Shower upgrades any regular shower to get water from both sides. Easy installation means no contractors or renovations. Renters and owners can obtain a luxurious shower makeover fast and affordably. Power, full body, and high velocity spray. Switching sides might be perilous, especially if you're on the outside of the rotation. Boona Tandem Shower warms you up faster and covers you from all sides. Tandem Shower's custom-engineered shower head improves water pressure. Tandem Shower saves water, time, and money compared to two separate showers. The flexible hose makes Tandem Shower installation easy. It also allows taller persons to have a higher shower head. Partners of different heights can each have a fitting shower head. Number 4, Egg Minder. This clever egg inventory system fails. I hoped Quirky's $69 egg minder would reduce food waste. Considering how many eggs I've thrown away because I doubted their freshness, I may have been too quick. Using this technology could reduce egg waste and save money. Unsmart. Quirky's egg minder holds 14 eggs. It counts how many eggs you have and when they expire based on when they came in the tray and how long you set the app's freshness period. Egg cups have sensors and LEDs. When the oldest egg's light goes blue, use it first. The eldest egg's light becomes blue when you remove one, and so on. Weight sensors tell which cup has an egg and when. The app delivers egg alerts and lets you set freshness. 4-week default. A default egg minder egg expires after 28 days. 3 to 5 weeks is the shelf life of refrigerated eggs. Number 3, Yoda. The Yoda phone is most definitely unique. You might not be able to tell from the front, but flip this handset over and instead of a plastic flap or a stitched leather cover, you're faced with another front, this time made up of an e-ink display much like the one in Amazon's Kindle e-reader. It's not the first Android device with an e-ink screen, but it is the first to make that duo work harmoniously. Instead of trying to jam the full-fat Android experience onto the slow e-paper display on the rear, Yoda has wisely contented itself with adding useful widgets and interactive panels. There is a Yoda mirror mode that allows you to run Android entirely on the back, but this is strictly optional and mostly to be used when trying to extend battery life. On the other side of the 4.7-inch e-ink screen is a 5-inch AMOLED display. The latter has a 1080p resolution, but suffers from poor color accuracy. Number 2, Robotic Cat Pillow. Do you enjoy the sensation of petting a cat or dog, but hate the unconditional love and the fact that they have heads and limbs? Japanese company 𝗘𝗴𝗴𝗍𝗶 Engineering has unveiled the solution to this classic conundrum with 𝗘𝗂𝗺𝗏, a soft, round cushion with a robotic tail that reacts to strokes, just as a loving pet would. Tails, a communication tool that doesn't require words. The demo video begins. It goes on to show everyone who might find peace with the cushion-tailed therapy robot: young people living alone in immaculate apartments, children, and the elderly. The process of healing is easy, just give it a good pat and watch the cushion's tail wag softly in response. It'll also wag and curl the tail on its own, via an accelerometer in the pillow. 𝗘𝗂𝗺𝗏 is expected to cost around $100 when it launches in June 2018. Like with its adorable Bako robot that was delivered with Kickstarter, the company is hoping to launch 𝗘𝗂𝗺 with the help of a crowdfunding platform, and Gadget reports. It'll have an 8-hour battery life with USB charging and will come in 2 colors, husky gray and French brown. Number 1, Fen Portable Helmet. This travel cap folds to half its size. It has front and back lights. It's a tough helmet. Let's examine its highlights. The Fen Super Helmet folds by 50%, so it can fit in any bag or backpack. It frees up your hand and protects your head while riding. Prioritize safety. US and EU safety regulations for bicycles, skateboards, and e-bikes/scooters with speeds under 20 miles per hour, made of ABS shell with a durable matte finish. Fen helmet has front and back lights. The weatherproof lights enable 800 meters of 360-degree visibility. Safely ride day or night. These lights have 3 flash modes. This helmet fits bikes, scooters, hoverboards, and skateboards. US and EU criteria exceeded. This helmet's development took years. Convenient and safe. Fen helmet is designed for bikes, skateboards, and e-bikes/scooters under 20 miles per hour. This super helmet's 12 vents keep your head cool throughout intense rides. It maintains airflow while riding. It has detachable lights. You can remove them for day trips. your helmet won't lose style. The helmet looks great both ways. When needed, you may place the lights back in your luggage. Custom fit, the dial fit mechanism and adjustable straps provide a precise fit. I hope, in this video, you get to know more about the latest unique gadgets in the market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.